This girl is already dead. She just doesn't know it yet.
Ho, ho, ho.
The girl in the video behind me was so unlucky to be in the same game as Nina. But for those who don't understand what just happened in this video, let me break it down for you. This girl was playing Survive a Natural Disaster. This is basically a game in Roblox where you survive natural disasters and take cover inside houses or bases. She was just playing this game when suddenly she's approached by this girl named Nina. Nina approached the girl and whispered something so frightening it made her jump off the side of the building. And because I was so curious to hear what the big secret was, I located Nina and asked her for an interview, and she accepted it. Here's how it went. So what did you whisper in the girl's ear?
So you wanna know the secret?
Yes, tell me.
Okay, come. My secret is...
Seduction.